Okay, welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to be tearing down Nightmare. So, I actually stripped all of the paint off of it, and after that, I accidentally wrecked it. It's pretty bad. I'll go ahead and roll that clip right now. So yeah, today we're going to be tearing it down. We got a little bitty screwdriver. I already got all the pins and crap, all the rivets out of it. Those are good. First, before we tear it down, we'll go over the damage. So first of all, you can see it's a little bent up in the front. And you can see got a nice little slight dent in the back. You can see all the bars are all monkeyed up in there. Wheelie bar is all twisted and mangled. Yeah, she took a nice bucket check. Front axle is dismembered. I mean, it is not even mounted in there. So, yeah, today's the day we tear it down. So, you can see the frames hanging out of it and everything. So, yeah, let's go ahead and tear it down. And by the way, I am going to be getting a new one of these. So, don't go saying, oh, he tore it down, he's never gonna, it's the end. No, I'm getting another one. So, chill out. It's probably going to be a couple weeks. So, first of all, we're just going to frame is broken. Ooh. Go ahead and pry the front end just literally fell out. So now all we got is this rear part of the frame. We got this glass up in here. That's loose. The glass is loose. Go ahead and... Oh, dude, it's in there. Oh, crap. Just came right out. Oh, we got it out. And first look, not good. Parachute isn't bad. Not terrible, not great. It's actually pretty bad. But you got the wheels all bent up and just broken. That wheel is... It's probably reusable. It's just nice and ugly. So, yeah, now let's just go ahead and get all the parts of the body out. First we'll go ahead and pull this cage out. Oh, I got the screwdriver again, try to get this twisted up bar out of here. Or bars, plural. Oh yeah. Oh, dude. It is... So we can squeeze her out through the... There we go. Oh, my. Look at that. The scene in the roll cage is, like, not great. So, yeah. Here's the glass in case you're interested. So, yeah. It was purple, now it's black from all the spray paint. And, yeah. And the top, as you can see, is quite caved in. That wing, it's a little oofed. Give it a little more. Oh, it's not even doing anything. Go a little more downforce. Upforce, or whatever you call that. Anyway, yeah, here it is. We'll go ahead and see if we can get this top off without breaking it too bad. See how this has all the bars here and here, or whatever to call those. This side, they broke off. I don't know where they are. So oh, that scared me. Looks like we broke it. That scared me though. See me jump. Go ahead and slowly bend this off. Give you a little. Here, let's go. Alright, now it ain't moving. Alright. Oh yeah, she's stuck. Oh, yeah, she's... Oh, whoa, it's... Oh, yeah, it's broken. So, yeah. It's not breaking. What is this? There it went. Alright. Oh crap, it's stuck in there now. There we go. Get that out of there. Oh dude, it's bent. Okay. Okay, you can't see it because the frame's in the way. See if we can get the front end out of the way without too much damage. Where's our hammer at? It's bending, but it's not like cracking or anything. It looks like a pro mod or something. Hit it a little harder. Oh, it fell. Oh, it's bent. Look at that. It ain't breaking though. Come on. Let's do that. Try to hammer it down into the ground. Again. Oh, that didn't work. Oh yeah, now it's cracking. Get this out of here. Oh, now we bent it upwards. Can we bend it? Oh, look at that. Oh! It's all bent up and everything. This thing's fun. Oh yeah, it's like bent upwards. It looks like if you, I don't know. Looks like if the hood was like the whole front end. Or if it smacked something and it got bent upwards. I don't know. It's about off. Got it. As you can see, the bed is a little bent. But straighten it out a little bit. Like brand new. Alright, well, that's basically it. Here, let's go ahead and bend it again. See if I can get the wing to fall off. It's breaking, just not in the spot I want it to. Now it's bent down. Let's not do that because I know it's going to fall down in there. And yeah. Oh, Lord. Lord and Savior. Oh, yeah, it's bent. Say we broke it. I'm gonna get this piece of the wing out of the way. Oh, yeah. And boom, wing is off. Looks like a normal S10. Alright, well, guess that's all I got for this video. I'll go ahead and slap her back together just to see what it looks like with all the chassis, but not the, the front end or glass or any of that. It just looks like if you got a car or a truck and took the front end off. Here, how about we put the cage on it? Yeah, it just looks like a normal car that you'd take the motor out of. Well, I guess I'm gonna call this the conclusion of the old Nightmare S10 series. We'll go ahead and throw in us a nice montage just for memory of the nightmare. So yeah, it sucks, but hey, maybe it'll be back someday. So yeah, which, like I said earlier, I'm probably gonna get another one tonight. Probably buy one off of eBay or Amazon or something. It's not gonna be a Pro Truck just like this one. If you go look up Pro Truck on Google or something, it's gonna be an orange S10 just like this. I'm just gonna say Pro Truck on the side. that'll be what this truck was before it was black and white and yeah, all those other clothes. So, if you liked the video, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and share so you can show your friends all the conclusion of the nightmare. So, yep, I'm gonna get this video edited and posted. So yeah.